The breakthrough of visual boundaries, the exploration of photography and videography, the liberation of power and speed, and the innovation of interaction are now ready to be discovered. Embrace the future with new possibilities. Lighting up infinite possibilities. The triple camera of HUAWEI Mate 35G is embraced by the Halo range. It is a perfect fusion of reflection and refraction. Still made, but a new icon. Create the imagination of wild nature with sophisticated design. The colors radiate in every light and shadow, reflecting the splendid Milky Way, graceful violet, treasured emerald and mysterious night. All the emotion and vitality shine from the inside out. Look at the curved display from any angle to see the fusion of aesthetics and craftsmanship which produces this incredible piece of art. The broad view and stunning colors immerse you in the real scene. Without hesitation, just a natural finger touch on the display unlocks your phone with ultra-fast speed. The fingerprint verification has become a part of your habit, while it is also a popular and reliable method of quick payment to save your efforts. As the world's first flagship 5G SAC powered by 7nm plus HUAWEI, the Kirin 995G achieved significant performance with lower power consumption. It supports an NSA network architectures, peak download speed and wide frequencies of FDD and TDD. The brand new architecture of Big Core plus Tiny Core and PU vastly improves AI capability for your intelligent life. The innovative architectures of 3 efficiency levels achieve significant improvements in overall performance and efficiency to show outstanding power capabilities. CPU performance data is based on Geekbench 4.4 testing results. CPU efficiency data is based on Bristol testing results. The Mali G76MC16 GPU architecture is capable of massive image processing with lower consumption, delivering better graphics results. GPU performance data is based on Bench 5.0 testing results. GPU efficiency data is based on 1080p Manhattan off-screen S3.1 testing results. ISP provides integrated draw domain compression and stronger noise reduction to produce sharper and more stable photos and videos. Adopting the complementary antenna design which covers the top, middle and bottom, HUAWEI Mate 35G ensures stable signal connection no matter how your hands hold the phone. Incorporated with the superior telecommunication capabilities of Kirin 995G, you can always obtain best-in-class services with most carriers around the world. Playing a game by remote server is the new trend which breaks the local hardware restrictions. However, it requires a high-quality network to support. Thanks to the 5G capability of Kirin 995G, the HUAWEI Mate 35G allows you to be an early adopter for rejoicing in high-resolution and low-latency cloud gaming. Unlock the 5G world with a download speed of up to 2.3 Gbps. Access the real experience with ultra-fast and smooth 4K livestream even in the middle of a crowd. Let the high-resolution picture and stable signal immerse you in every scene. Tour the world with the new super sensing triple camera. You are free to discover the beauty and meaning of natural scenes in daily life. All the vivid details and your memories can be recorded and clearly preserved day and night. Find the rich details and clarity in every picture day and night. The 3x optical zoom, 5x hybrid zoom and up to 30x digital zoom feature will bring the faraway surprises to your eyes. See wider, see closer. Never miss a great scene or fine detail. Ignoring light conditions, you are able to explore the beauty of every moment even in dim light. The tremendous sensor, light algorithm and stronger ISP all work together to deliver a luminous and balanced image with vivid color. No need to step back. Switch to wide view mode to capture a photo of the grand building in full view or include a crowd of people all in one frame. Step forward and you can take a close-up portrait with the entire scene in the background. The world can always surprise you with exquisite and unexpected details. With the HUAWEI Mate 35G, you can observe and record the complexity in the inner part of a watch, the weighing textures of insects or the magical tiny world inside a bubble. With the 5x hybrid zoom, you can capture rich details of the architecture or objects in the distance with great clarity and resolution. Up to 30x digital zoom, the HUAWEI Mate 35G brings the unseen right before your eyes. With the upgraded AI HDR Plus and AI segmentation features, the HUAWEI Mate 35G analyzes the image with strong processing capability and segments it into different parts for detailed improvements. The photos delivered by the front camera can reach a balance in light, color and contrast based on the real environment. Even in a backlight portrait, you still shine and glow. With the 24MP front camera, the HUAWEI Mate 35G produces good selfies effortlessly, showing the real feature and unique side of you regardless of too much environmental impact. Inherited by the powerful DNA of Mate, the battery is upgraded to 4200 mAh, typical value, which can easily support your one-day requirement. Benefit from the chipset's improved power efficiency and intelligent power management system to power you up even longer than before. Offering the best-in-class 40 watts HUAWEI supercharged with Tube safety certification, HUAWEI Mate 35G will never let you down. The upgraded reverse wireless charging of HUAWEI Mate 35G can help your mate whose phone is out of power or be used as a temporary charger for your electric toothbrush or wireless headphones while traveling. Get rid of the cable restriction. Now wireless HUAWEI Supercharge can support fast 27 watts charging with Tube safety certification. No need to wait for a long time, leave it on the charging pad during any break and take it immediately once you need it. Charging your phone in the car can be as fast as at home or in the office. With the 40 watts HUAWEI Supercharged car charger and 27 watts HUAWEI Supercharged wireless car charger, the power can be refueled during the commute from home to office or office to the airport. Charging is no longer a disturbing issue, but the simple thing you can finish in a short time. With or without a cable, at home or in your car, you can enjoy very fast charging and be ready for the next challenge. All the fine details are implemented everywhere to impress you. The new always-on display colors change with time. The larger title fonts and greater space create the stylish look of a magazine layout. The adoption of more Rondi palette makes the new pen more charming and elegant. Instead of simply reverting the black and white color, repeated human-centered lab tests provided undisputed reference for selecting the most comfortable color contrast or gradation in dark mode. This human-centered design can avoid extreme brightness stimulation to deliver a more comfortable and immersive reading experience. The front camera, 3D depth sensing camera and gesture sensor are conducted together to identify your facial features and detect the movement of your hands. With this real-time information received in the tiny core NPU, many commands such as unlocking, slide changing, and screenshots can be executed swiftly when you look at the screen or simply swipe your hand. Since the gesture sensor is creatively adopted in the front notch of HUAWEI Mate 35G, you will enter the new era of touchless interaction. Just grip your hand in front of the screen to capture a quick screenshot. Simply slide your fingers up and down to flip the pages of a website or photos of gallery. Interact with the phone like a magician. This intelligent phone will follow the direction of your face to auto-rotate the screen for your convenience. Hide notification details or relock the apps if someone else is looking at your screen to protect your privacy and remind you if you are too close to the phone for your eye health. All the intelligent care is integrated in an easy and natural way. Just a simple tap, your smartphone and laptop will transform into one super device even without internet connection. 60 ongoing tasks of music playback or file editing automatically resume on the laptop. Your phone screen appears on your laptop, which allows you to drag and drop files between them, and edit the files on your laptop while messaging colleagues on your phone using the same keyboard and mouse. 7 This cross-device collaboration makes life and work easier. Using face and fingerprint verification to unlock the phone is the entry-level protection. With the app lock, your privacy and property can be protected from app level. The isolated secure system whose microkernel has achieved CCEL5 plus 8 separate biometric ID info and financial info from the public OS serving in all applications. A Mute 10 provides you with fundamental and comprehensive security services.